Ghatwood.
Hi ma'am, this is Tanya. Now I'm going to discuss about nature. Nature is our second mother. So many numbers will cut trees, but we should never cut trees because they will give us oxygen and take carbon dioxide. Because they are also human beings like us. We should not cut trees, right? Why we are cutting trees? For furniture. First we want furniture. For eating food, we want shelter. We are having so many things with trees. So we should never cut trees. See this, how much greenery it is. While seeing that, what did you understood? So many animals also will grow there, plants also will grow there. With plants, like trees only, we will get food, shelter and all the things. Without trees, can we live? Earth is in blue color and green color. Green color is land and blue color is water. Blue color is water. 70% water will be, and I don't know how much percent land will be, but most of in earth only greenery will be so much, not water. Blue color it will not be. It will be so much green. It will be like this, same like this. In schools also we are having in Kennedy High Magnet. How many trees are there? We are saying every day in assembly, please don't cut trees, please don't cut trees, and we will celebrate Van Mahotsav week also. 1 week we will celebrate the Van Mahotsav week, and in Van Mahotsav week, hundreds of people, thousands of people in India will plant trees. Thousands and hundreds plants will grow on India. So we should not cut trees. How much greenery it will be without trees? If no trees, what will happen? Human beings cannot live, right? Nature is our second mother. Our first mother is in our hearts. The second mother is in front of us. See how much greenery it will be in the schools also. Without greenery, can we live? No, we cannot. So please don't cut trees. If you cut trees, we want gum from trees. We want furniture from trees. We want bed to sleep. We want food to eat. We want shelter, right? We want clothes also. With clothes only we will get, right, from insects and trees. Silk we will obtain from silk moth, and clothes like cotton and all from trees. We should never cut trees. So if you cut trees, human beings cannot live. You cannot live. No one can live. In Kennedy School, how much greenery it will be. How much greenery it will be. See here how this school is. It is like Kennedy. It's not like Kennedy. In Kennedy, how many plants will be here? That many plants are not there. So you should never cut trees. We cannot live without trees. It is like our mother. Earth is a planet. Earth is a planet. That on Mars can we live? No. Jupiter? No. Mercury? No. On space? No. So Earth is the only planet that we can live. Earth is a planet that supports us. Earth will support us to read so many things. Nature is also like that only. Earth is nature, that's it. So you should never cut trees. Thank you.